Chalo, first is the first paragraph, first it, and the second is the
Yes,
king.
ma'am. First paragraph only. Okay, ma'am. South India. During the Rajput era में big and small state were is a, established in South India after the demise the Pulkeshi II West Empire disintegrated.
Disintegrated,
What, ma'am?
disintegrated.
Disintegrated into small states. The region of many rulers of the uh, uh, Chanakya dynasty.
Chalakya, Chanakya नहीं, Chalakya.
Chalukya dynasty is
Noteworthy.
not worthy.
Yes.
The
So, boys, do you remember in the previous class, previous class, we saw about how these dynasties were formed. Okay. Now, beta, the most important thing is to understand. Okay. Okay, these dynasties, they had such a powerful navy. They had a powerful army also, but all these dynasties started forming after the death of Pulkeshi II, who ruled in South India. Where did he rule? He ruled in South India. Okay. Now after the death of Pulkeshi II, बेटा जो भी सारे kingdoms थे, है ना, जो भी सारे king थे, they started forming their own states, and this is how South India was formed. Okay, South Indian states were formed. मतलब there was disintegration, એટલે કે વિભાજન from into smaller states, एक big states को छोटे छोटे states में divide कर दिया था, है ना, सारे राजाओं ने, जो भी उस डायनेस्टी के राजा थे, जैसे चालुक्य डायनेस्टी के थे, तो उस टाइम पे, राइट। तो इन चालुक्य डायनेस्टी के जो किंग्स थे, रूलर्स थे, उन्होंने बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे काम किए थे, चालुक्य डायनेस्टी के जो भी रूलर्स थे उन्होंने। और द किंगडम्स ऑफ पल्लवा एंड चोला डायनेस्टीज are also included in the states of South India. Narshi Varma जो थे, he was a very strong ruler of the Pallava dynasty. And the emperor of this dynasty, they were what beta? You know, they were lover of art and literature. इतने अच्छे literature लिखते थे. Literature means the books, okay, stories and books. And lovers of art also. Architecture भी बहुत अच्छा करते थे. So that is an example of Kailashnath temple of Kanchi. Okay, Kailashnath temple of Kanchi is the best example of Pallava architecture. Do you get my point? Yes. So all this is about the establishment of new dynasties. Okay. Yes, Zaki will revise this paragraph. What I explained, re-revise it. Zaki, are you there? Hello.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
So why don't you reply, Zaki, as soon as your name has been spoken? Are you
No,
busy with
ma'am,
some work?
hold on, ma'am.
You should be alert whenever your name is spoken. Only then I'll come to know that you all are understanding the lesson. Okay?
Okay, okay.
So explain. Can you revise that, beta?
Yes, ma'am. South India. During the Rajput
Don't
era,
run.
many big
Don't
and
run.
small.
Don't run. Don't run. Slowly, slowly.
During the Rajput era, very big and small states were established in South India. After the demise of Pulkeshi II, his vast empire disintegrated into small states. The reign of many rulers of the Chalukya dynasty is not worthy. The kingdom of the Pallava and the Chola dynasty are also included in the states of South India. Narsingh Varma was a strong ruler of the Pallava dynasty. The emperors of the dynasty were lovers of art and literature. The Kalashran emperor was Kanchi. of Kanchi is where the best example of Pallava architecture. The Chola dynasty also ruled in the south. Tanjore was their capital. The rule of
Yes. So Pallava architecture. Understood here, everyone?
yes,
Any doubts? Yes. Then continue, Peter. I'll explain the next
yes.
paragraph.
The rulers of Chola dynasty attacked Silur and annexed many territories. The Cholas has powerful. मैं माम करो ना
What are you doing, Zaki?
the powerful navy, because of which they could attack countries even across the sea. Raj Raja one
One.
adopted a very systematic way of administration in his state. He started with the measurement of land and local self-government. Apart from them, the Rashtrakutra, Shira, and Pandya dynasty also ruled in South India. So, it is evident that many dynasties ruled at different places during the Rajput. मैं अब किसी और कर दो
Yes. So basically here what we are seeing, the other rulers, okay? The other rulers like whom the Chola dynasty, right? Who ruled in south. Where did they rule better? They ruled in the south. Tanjore was the capital. What was their better? Tanjore was their capital. And the rulers of Chola dynasty attacked Ceylon and annexed many territories. The Cholas had a powerful navy. What did they have better? A powerful navy. Okay, because of which they could attack only also across the sea. Now, what is this navy? Who will say me? What is navy? What do you understand by navy? Zoher Abbas, Zoher Fazil, Asaria Fazil.
Yes, ma'am, Asara Zorobas. Yes.
Yes, Zoher Abbas. What do you understand by navy?
What?
Navy, navy. Navy.
Navy Vigai.
Navy means what?
Navy, the army of
Army of the
India.
eh?
Navy, no.
uh,
Ma'am, the force.
force, but
Ma'am,
what?
army of sea, ocean, river.
Ah, Navy is a particular branch of judiciary system. Okay. Now, जैसे army is trained for protecting us on borders, है ना? लैंड रूट लैंड पे प्रोटेक्शन करते हैं आर्मी लैंड पे फ्रॉम एयर एंड ऑल दिस राइट तो नेवी को ऐसे स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग नेवी पीपल आर गिवन स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग टू ट्रेन अक्रॉस वाटर बॉडीज है ना
Ma'am,
जैसे कि सीज ओशंस में से कोई इंडिया को अटैक करे तो इंडिया को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करना
तो
है
नेवी बताएगी
वो नेवी करेगी नेवी पीपल
और
आर ट्रेन इन
ऐसे
सच मैनर
मतलब फाइटर जेट वो सब से अटैक हुआ तो हमारा वो
हाँ नेवी नेवी खाली वॉर्स के टाइम पे यूज में आती ऐसी नहीं है नेवी पीपल आर आल्सो यूजफुल ड्यूरिंग टाइम ऑफ फ्लड्स नेचुरल डिजास्टर आल्सो साइक्लोन फ्लड्स जैसे भी आपको पता हो तो हमारे यहाँ भावनगर में जो साइक्लोन आया था वावाझोडू रिमेम्बर एट दैट टाइम आल्सो नेवी पीपल हैड एंटर्ड इन इंडिया इन अवर स्टेट સો ધેટ યુ નો કે બહુ વધારે પડતું પાણી આવી જાય ફ્લડ આવે તો પણ નેવી પીપલની ટ્રેનિંગ હોય કે ઈ પીપલને કેવી રીતે એમાંથી બચાવે અંડરસ્ટુડ નેવીમાં બહુ બધી ટાઈપની ટ્રેનિંગ હોય નેવીમાં મેડિકલ હેલ્પ કેવી રીતના આપવી ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેજમાં એ પણ ટ્રેનિંગ કરે એ લોકોને બધી ટાઈપની ટ્રેનિંગ્સ હોય અટેક ઇન્ડિયાને કોઈ કરે આઉટ કન્ટ્રીઝને કોઈ કરે ફ્રોમ આઉટર કન્ટ્રીઝ તો એમાં એ લોકોને ટ્રેનિંગ હોય બધી ટાઈપની ટ્રેનિંગ હોય So, such type of navy, Chola also had. Chola dynasty also had a powerful navy, and because of which they could attack countries even across the seas. Sea ની across પણ કોઈ પણ country હોય તો એની પર અટેક કરવું હોય તો નેવીની હેલ્પ લેવી જ પડે. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? So, rulers were successful in that. Raja I adopted a very systematic way of administration in his state. He started the measurement of land and the local self-government. Local self-government, right? The three-tier system of our government. Apart from them, the Rashtrakutas, Cheras, and Pandya dynasties also ruled in South India. So it is evident that many dynasties ruled at different places during the Rajput age. There were frequent battles between them to annex each other's area due to the internal conflicts. There was no unity among them, and that's the reason why foreign invaders took advantage of this. Do you remember, boys? I talked to you about how foreign invaders took advantage of ruling in our country. Remember, I talked to you about one story. Do you remember we talked about one
Yes.
story? Which was the story? What was the story about the foreign invaders I talked about? No one remembers?
Um,
About the two cats and a monkey?
yes, yes. Cat is fighting and monkey take
What
bite of
was the
roti.
story say?
Once upon a time, there was one monkey and two cats. Two cats have only one roti, and both are fighting. That monkey put half. One is big and one is small. That cat also he was fighting both them. Monkey put one bite in his mouth, and then also one big and one small. He eat full roti, and monkey eat full roti, and cat was nothing good.
Cat got nothing. The two cats got nothing. So what does it indicate?
We
What
have
do
to
you
not.
understand? Comparing the story of this lesson, what do we understand? In comparison to foreign invaders, what do we understand? That the foreign invaders took the advantage of the same policy, divide and rule policy, right? Because there were frequent battles between them to annex each other's state. What were there? What was there, beta? Frequent battles between them to annex each other's areas. Okay, clear? Due to the internal conflict, there was no unity among them. What was there? There was no unity among them. And so foreign invaders took advantage of this. Understood? Like the monkey. Right? Yes, who will revise this beta? Zoer Abbas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the paragraphs which I explained, can you re-revise?
Okay. The Chola dynasty also ruled in the south. Tanjore was their capital. Tanjore was their capital. The rulers of Chola dynasty attacked Cyclone and
Cyclone
indexed
nahi hai, Ceylon.
Ceylon and annexed many
Ceylon છે ને
territories.
Ceylon, Ceylon એ શ્રીલંકાને કહેવાતું હતું.
પેલા શ્રીલંકાનું નામ સિલોન.
હા, હા.
Many territories. The Cholas had a powerful navy because of which they could attack countries even across the sea.
એટલે સમજાણું જો
Rajaram
સિલોન સિલોન ક્યાં આવ્યો સીની પછી જ આવ્યો ને આપણે વચમાં વોટર બોર્ડર છે ને ઇન્ડિયા ને શ્રીલંકાની વચ્ચે સમજાણું
yes, yes.
હમ યસ યસ કન્ટિન્યુ
countries even across the sea. Rajaraj one
One.
adapted a very systematic way of administration in his state. He started with the measurement of land and local self-government. Apart from them, the Rashtrakuta, Chera and Pandya dynasty also ruled in South India. So it is evident that many dynasties ruled at different places during the Rajput age. There were frequent battles between them to annex each other's eras due to the internal
Area.
conflicts.
Areas. Okay.
There was no unity among them. Foreign invaders took advantage of this. We will discuss the administration and culture during the Rajput era next in the next unit.
Very good. Chalo, understood till here? Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Continue जो है.
Rashtrakuta rules from where?
Sorry.
From where?
Rashtrakutas.
Okay. Rashtrakutas ruled South India. With the fall of Chalukya dynasty, Rashtrakuta came to power. Rashtrakuta means head of a state or area. It is believed that the founder of the dynasty was an officer of the community and hence the dynasty was named after him. Out of many rulers, Govind III was the most powerful king. In the 8th century, he established a powerful kingdom in the Deccan.
Deccan. In the Deccan. Yes, very good. So Rashtrakuta ruled in South India. Where did they rule, beta? Like Cholas and all. Where did the Huh. Here we are talking basically the rulers of South India, right, beta? After the death of Pulkeshi too, right or wrong?
Right.
Right. So where did Rashtrakuta rule? They ruled in South India. With the fall of Cholukya dynasty, Rashtrakuta came to power. Who came to the power, beta? Yes, Rashtrakuta came to power. Rashtrakuta means what? The head of a state or a area. રાષ્ટ્રકૂટા વર્ડનું શું meaning થાય છે? What is the meaning of Rashtrakuta? Can you see my screen? Boys, can you see my screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll present again then.
Ma'am, now it is clear.
Now,
Yes, ma'am, now it is clear.
yes, so what is the meaning of Rashtrakuta? Head of a state or area. What is the meaning? The head of a state or area. Rashtrakuta means what, beta? Yes, beta. It means the head of a state or area. Okay. Okay, boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So Rashtrakuta means the head of a state or a area. Okay. It is believed that the founder of the dynasty was an officer of that community. Who was he? An officer of that community. And hence, the dynasty was named after him. Out of many rulers, Govind III was the most powerful king. Who was the most powerful king, Beta? Govind III in the 8th century. And he established a powerful kingdom in the Deccan. Clear till here, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, Fazil. Can you revise the paragraph that I explained?
Yes, ma'am. Second paragraph. No.
First
First
paragraph.
paragraph. Okay. Rashtrakutas ruled South India with the help of Chandra, uh, uh, Cholakya dynasty.
Let me finish.
राष्ट्रगुप्ता के the power Rashtragupta means head of a state or area. It is believed that the
Founder.
founder of the dynasty was an officer of that community and hence the dynasty was named.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. The page has gone. One minute, Fazil. Yes, Fazil.
Yes, ma'am. Name after him out of. Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am. This one. After him out the May rule. Govinda III was the most powerful king in the eighth celebrate. The established was powerful kingdom in the dynasty.
Yes, very good. In the Deccan dynasty, nothing. In the Deccan. Okay, yes, beta, continue. Continue,
Yes,
Fazil.
the Pandya has also ruled over South India. The Pandya dynasty is the believed to be very ancient. Migas, thence the Greek traveler, not that the females
Megasthenes. Megasthenes.
Megasthenes to great travel notes the males used the rule in this community. The institution of Empire Ashoka also contains references references to the Pandyas rule of the present day Madurani
Madurai
and uh,
and three
Trivil,
Thiruvanali in Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu trade ruled time Kerala was part of the Tamil state. Let on Kerala or Malaya
Malayalam.
state Malayalam state separated separated ka Kiplu Kiputa
Separated.
Jaya what ma'am?
Separated.
Separated Kipalu Uttar
Kap,
Jaya
Kep,
in
Kepalputra Rajya.
Kepalputra Rajya in method in the inspiration of Ashoka. Then two was the first stone ruler of the dynasty Kerala.
Yes. So what we are talking here about in this paragraph is the Pandyas. Okay. About whom? The Pandyas and the Cheras. Okay. किनकी बात कर रहे हैं? Whom we are talking about, beta? Boys,
Yes.
the Pandyas and the Cheras, right? Now, beta, the Pandyas and the Cheras also ruled over South India. Okay, the Pandya dynasty is believed to be very ancient. Okay, कैसे believe की जाती है? Very ancient. Megasthenes, the Greek traveler, what did he note? He noted that the females used to rule in this community. Who used to rule, beta? The females. Okay, the females used to rule in this community. The inscriptions of Emperor Ashoka, of whom, beta? The inscriptions of Emperor Ashoka also contains references to the Pandyas. The Pandya ruled in present day Madurai and Tirunavali in Tamil Nadu. Cheras ruled over South India. Chera is now known as Kerala. What is it known as? Kerala. In ancient time, Kerala was a part of the Tamil state. What was the part of the Tamil state? Beta Kerala. In South India, you know, Kerala and Tamil Nadu is there. So they were first one state. Okay. Later on, Kerala or Malayalam state separated. Kepalaputra Rajya is mentioned in the inscriptions of Ashoka. Ethan too was the first strong ruler of this dynasty. Who was the first strong ruler of the dynasty, beta? Ethan too was the first strong ruler. Okay, understood till here, beta? Was the first strong ruler of this dynasty. Cheran Setunguma was a powerful ruler of this dynasty. Chalo. Understood till here, everyone, dear students?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Who will like to re-revise these two paragraphs that I explained you right now? See, Kerala or Malayalam states separated. Okay. केरला को मलयालम स्टेट भी बोला जाता है व्हाई बिकॉज केरला हैज द लैंग्वेज ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ मलयालम ओके इज इट क्लियर बॉयज एम आई क्लियर
Yes, miss, yes.
okay who will revise Rajani Aliasgar is there or he has left
Shall I?
what is your name
Radhani Kasim Riza.
yes you can better sir
Yes, miss. Rashtrakutas ruled South India. With the fall of Chalukya dynasty, Rashtrakuta came to power. Rashtrakuta means head of the state or area.
yes Rashtrakuta means the head of the state or a area.
It is
Yes, beta,
believed that
continue.
the founder of the dynasty was an officer of the community, and hence the dynasty was named after him. Out of the many rulers, Govind III was the most powerful king. In the 8th century, he established a powerful kingdom in the Deccan. The Pandyas also ruled over South India. The Pandya dynasty is believed to be very ancient. Means what is that?
Megasthenes. Megasthenes.
Megasthenes, the Greek traveler, notes the females used to rule in the community. The inscriptions of Emperor Ashok also contain references to the Pandyas. The Pandyas ruled
Pandyas.
in present day Madurai and Tirunelveli,
Tirunavali.
Tirunelveli in Tamil Nadu. Cheras ruled over South India. Chera is known as
As
Kerala.
Kerala. As Kerala.
As Kerala. In ancient time, Kerala was part of Tamil state. Later on, Kerala or Malay, Malayalam,
Malayalam.
Malayalam state separated.
Kepal.
Kepalputra Rajya is mentioned in the inscription of Ashoka. Adhan too was the first strong ruler of the dynasty. Charan Setuguen was a powerful ruler of the dynasty.
Of this dynasty.
Yes,
Yes,
exactly.
very good, beta Raza. Very good. Shall everyone understood till here? Any doubts?
No teacher, no doubt.
Oh,